Hello everyone, this is Lama AlHudaithy from CyberX. I'm glad to be here with you today. This is an honor to be a part of the MENA Information Security Conference 2021 and an amazing opportunity, and I hope I can give something good and valuable in this session. Now, before I start, I will give you a background information about me. So now I'm a cybersecurity analyst, which is I'm working with security analyst, working on phishing attack awareness as a part of the cybersecurity awareness campaign, and review the risk register and develop a dashboard for it. Now let me share a story about CyberX. So CyberX is an online platform dedicated to raising cyber awareness in Arabic. And our mission here in CyberX is to grow social and perform professional digital knowledge through a set of services, namely awareness campaign, a training platform, and skill development in cybersecurity, in addition to several solutions provided by CyberX, such as PhishX, integrating phishing software to test the cyber capability of the business and employees, awareness campaign, training platform, and skill development in the cybersecurity, LMSX, learning management system software, SIMX, and LMSX, and TIPX, and BMSX. And I'm gonna give you a little detail about them later. Now let's go to the mission. Our mission here. It's to raise social and professional cyber awareness and digital knowledge through visual, audited, interactive content, as well as initiative and software solution. And our vision is to become the first go-to cyber platform in the Arab world with a global mark. And the purpose is to evolve the perception of the cyber and digital experience and inspire more electronic aware and secure Arab society. So what makes CyberX unique? It's one of the leading Arabic content platform to address cyber awareness and digital knowledge topic, and spreading awareness and guidance for your business and your life and everyone you know, and local to regional to global reach, ensuring insightful, creative, and reliable Arabic content. So here where we are proudly saying that we are coming from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. We are a Saudi company, and we have other chapters in Egypt, UAE, Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, and Oman. And we're proud to say also that 80% of our team is ladies. And again, we are so proud of that. Now let's see our first solution, which is Learning Management System, LMSX, which is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, automation, and delivery of educational courses, training program, or learning and development program. And it contains a set of training workshops in the field of the cybersecurity. So this is for the LMSX, and LMSX also is expert in corporate training, which is provide learning with the knowledge and skill they need to perform their job at the high level, and having an essential hub for training your workforce, for connecting and appealing with employee is the key to succeed. And for non-profit organizational, which is train your organization in essential skills such as effective fundraising or proposal writing to help you raise money. For the selling courses online, we can do course content for you, and you can easily share your knowledge and passion while you're increasing your audience. This platform enables systemic training, micro learning, social learning, gaming, and enable exciting learning experience. Actually, when I start the demo about the LMSX, you can see all the features. So there are the key differentiate of the LMSX, and we have it in 3 flavors, which is on-premise, on cloud, and air-gapped. So the other features that we have, uh, uh, which is white label and branding, which is LMSX is a white label open source solution designed to embrace your brand, managing font, colors, logos, cover photos according to your company brand. And the platform, which is building a course journey that fits your aestheticism, and the mobile app, actually, it comes with the platform, and we can see actually LMSX is features in Arabic by default. The theme has built an ability to be used in any language that you want. So here you can see the interface for our LMS software. More than 25 online courses, expert instruction, and limited access. Let's go down. Here you can see the newest courses. Here you can see all the courses with the categories for OT, general, IT personal, education, healthcare, and military. Here at the end of this page, you can see all the categories for all the courses, and we can categorize this courses that fit your needs. And now let's go to the courses page, which is the main page. Here you can see down all the courses. Here the courses that you enroll it. Here you can categorize it, or you want it by the latest courses. Here you can choose the instructor that you want. So I'm going to choose this course. You can see it. This is the page for the course. You can see here, this is the categories, and this is the name of the course. Here you can see the rating and the review for the course. Here the name of the instructor, and here the date of the uploading the course. So now you can see here the course contain of 8 lessons, and here you can see how many hours or minutes gonna take you to finish the course. And this course has 1 quiz, and this after you finish the course you will get a certificate. So here you can see overview. Here you can see the content and the lesson for the course. Here's the discussion. You can discuss with other users and discuss with the instructor about the course. And you can see here the CV for the instructor, and here you can rate and rate the course, and you can actually rate the other reviews. So you can see here I click 5 stars, and you can write here your review about the course. So now let's start the course.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
So you can see here this video and this page appeared.
ضد أي
This
خرق
is the first lesson for this course.
أو أي نوع من أنواع الوصول الغير مصرح به.
So now we can see here the first tab of the quiz that we have, which is the interactive video, which is a question or a pop quiz will pops in the middle of the video, so we can see the understanding for the user, and the user is understanding well. After he chooses the right answer, the video will be continued, and if he chose the wrong, he will.
هنا مين الشخص المسؤول أصلاً عن نصب سيرفرات هذا؟
You can see here it will start all over again if you choose the wrong answer, and if you choose the right answer, yeah, we can continue.
طيب مثل ما ذكرنا مسؤول النظام يتحمل مسؤوليات ضخمة تشمل.
Now you can, after the finish the lesson 1, you can go to the second.
النظام والأمن المادي. طيب الأمن المادي بالعربية هو حماية
You can go to the third. Now you can see here actually this other tab of quizzes that we offer. Here the question said this is passwords, and rate the password from 1, which is more weak, and 5 for more strong password. You can choose here which one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can check, you can see here is no and no. This is a 3 and this is 2. So now let's go to the, after you finish all the lesson, you can go to the quiz page where you can start the quiz. Let me answer it really quick. And here I finished the quiz. Let me see, I got 4 or 5. You can see here which one got 4 scores and one got 2 scores. If we can press here, now you will have the certificate and you can download it, and we can customize the certificate that fits your needs and fits your brand and your company, and you can share the certificate in LinkedIn and Twitter and Facebook. Now in the last page, which is the user page, you can see here all the members, or group leaders, student, managers, and employee, and you can see which one is active and which one is not, and you can see the username and the messages and the certificate and the courses that we have, that the user have. Here's the notification and here's the messages. Here's for the administrator. You can see, or we can get course report, user report, the recent activity, which courses has the most completion. You can see here cybersecurity awareness has 60%. Let's see the course reports. Now you can see we have in this LMS, we have 45 users and 5 courses. As you can see, here's the courses, and you can see details about each course and the completion for each course and the average score for the quizzes, how many users complete the course, how many users in progress, how many users not started, and how many enrollment in every course. Now let's see detailed. You can see here's the users, the name of the users, the first name, last name, and email address. And you can see here that this user complete the quiz in this date, and you can see detailed about the user, which is called user reports. Let's go to the user reports. You can see every user in this LMS. And that's it for the. Beside the LMS X, we have phishing platform, which we call it in CyberX PhishX, which is an electronic platform that enables the entity that formulate email messages, which is phishing messages, and send them to more than one recipient using a specific mail server. And the entity can prepare reports or manage the campaign through the platform and monitor performance and awareness among individuals. So the surface features, which is find out how many users are receiving phishing mail, find out how many users are clicking to open phishing mail, follow users who click to open links or image in email, track the number of users entering their data, keep a tracking of how many users have reporting the phishing mail, measuring the awareness of users by providing a short test, and the system is so easy to install. And the other solution that I mentioned in the beginning of the session, which is CyberX, which is security information and event management software, PlayX, gamification training software to boost your cyber skill with a hint of challenging fun, and vulnerability assessment and assessment software to keep your cyber muscles strong, and threat intelligence, which is threat detection at its sharpest. So if you have any interest for this solution and for the phishing and you want a demo or questions, please contact me or contact CyberX. My contact information will be at the end of the session. So for the other communicate solution, we have podcast, which is a podcast talk show series, which is hosted by Muhannad Al-Kalash in cyber world and their potential outcomes. Issues X, which is cyber awareness and digital knowledge electronic magazine. And the campaign X, which is advisory series to design awareness campaign in visual, audio, and interactive product to raise cyber awareness. We have actually a lot of successful campaign with a good numbers. You can actually see it in every CyberX social media. But in Twitter, we have a good numbers. So the video product X, which is film production, motion graphic, 60 seconds, and infographic. And for the Insight X, which is research lab. This brings me to the end of my session. Thank you so much for your interest and attention in this session. This is my contact information, LinkedIn, and my email. Thank you again so much. If you have any question, I'm so happy to answer it. Thank you again.